Hello and welcome once again. So in this video, we want to look at how to set up agents in a system. As explained earlier in the intro, so agents are people who represent the company, who usually go out to meet clients and take contributions from them, come and deposit with the company, and sometimes they also take their complaints and they take reports from the system and deliver it to them. Okay, so usually in a microcredit setup, we have microcredit or microfinance setup, we have agents who each client you have in a system is usually under an agent. So we have a lot of agents manning a number of clients. So this is just to see how to add them into the system and how to edit their information. So first we need to add them into the system before we can later on link them to customers. So when you get to the customer side, you see how to link an agent with a customer. Okay, so first, straightforward, let's look at how to add a new agent. So you see add new agent. You just provide basic information, their surname, their other name, whether they are male or female, date of birth. This is year, a day, month, year, then current address, then when they started with the company. So this, you can provide this information. You need to provide this date information. Then the station. Here, the company has branches, so each branch is a station. So you select whichever branch an agent falls under. Then their telephone number, which is very important because you need to contact them, email address. Then do you pay agents commission or you pay them salary? If you pay them commission, then you want to put the commission rate here. So basically, based on their collections, if they collect whatever amount, let's say if they collect 1,000, you pay them 10% of that, which will be 100, right? So if you're doing percentages, you can put the exact percentage here. So let's straight ahead add an agent. Let's say, okay, so let me do this rather. Put this one here, and then let me do that. Okay, so let's say we have some Michael and son, and this person was born on this date. Uh, 8, okay. Then maybe 1992. Okay, let's say, okay, so let's say this is what we have. The system will generate what do you call it, a code for this agent, and we in the system we refer to this agent using this code a lot. Okay, so how this code is generated, uh, that we discussed, what do you call it, usually these initials come from the company, and the rest is just generated by the system. So the system will just append the initials to the rest of the data. So it could be company initials and stuff like that. Okay, so when they started with us, let's say they started first day of the first month of 2025. Okay, so let's say this is their station, telephone number. Let's put anything, any random numbers there. Then, so for test purposes, this doesn't need to be correct. Okay, so let's say we go with this default percentage. With this, we can save this agent. So this agent has been added. Their code is 20. Okay, so now let's say we made a mistake whilst entering this information and we need to edit. This assumes that we have the right to edit, right? So now we come here and we look for agent 20, and this is the information we just provided, right? Okay, so maybe we decided that no, it shouldn't be. The year was wrong. It should have been this. We edit and it goes back. What if this agent was we just want to take him off the system? We added an agent today. The next day they call to tell us that they've gotten a new job, they can't work with us. So in that case, we just pull the agent ID, then confirm that this is the name of the agent we are dealing with, then just delete. Okay, so that is about setting up an agent. And as I said, when you get to the client section, you see how to link an agent and a client. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we talk about how to set up client.